As the North American manufacturing leader in secondary DC power distribution for over 35 years, Amphenol delivers reliable, high-quality solutions to power, protect, and monitor today's network servers and equipment. With a variety of power distribution unit solutions, including fuse panels and circuit breaker panels, current capacities up to 1,000 amp inputs and 400 amp outputs, and energy-smart power monitoring solutions, we design and manufacture the equipment to keep your network up and moving forward. Our power equipment is NEBS, Level 3 independently tested and certified, and UL listed. Our team has decades of industry experience and continuous innovation to meet customer needs, including a portfolio of solutions to meet high-density applications, monitoring capabilities to improve customer operations and improve energy efficiency, while certified to industry standards to ensure performance, reliability, and stability.